Hi, my dear. No, still in our society, basically, mediocre society can find here. We have a very common contradiction, common debate between the two innocent personality. One is mother-in-law and one is daughter-in-law. Often we try to find out the culprit either of them, either mother-in-law or daughter-in-law, to make an issue of family or to break the joint family. But practically, my dear, have you ever realized both the counterpart, both the personality, mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law, both having some demand in the family or insecurity feelings of the family. Mother thinks, since very long childhood, I have been taking care of this family. Right now, the family has developed a lot. So, mother-in-law possesses some arrogant mind, some mind of possessiveness here. So, mother-in-law having some insecurity when daughter-in-law step into the family, and mother-in-law she doesn't let her power to go. So here, the daughter-in-law also come in the new family with lot of expectation, and daughter-in-law just feel good to be the part of the family, member of the family, and want to possess some ownership of the family. But what happened? These two minds never match with each other. The reason is what? Are they culprit? No. Because mother-in-law having the expectation not from the daughter-in-law, from the son, that mother, my son will equally accept me, respect me, and call me like mother. And daughter-in-law also expect from her husband that my husband will take care of me and love me, trust of me. But here, the daughter-in-law and mother-in-law are not the issue at all. Both are yours. Here, the real culprit, that is none but one side husband, one side son. If a person can play the fantastic dual role to satisfy mother as usual and his wife also as usual, I think that family, daughter-in-law would remain happy and mother-in-law would remain happy. So I think that we need the smart husband, the manageable husband who can manage both the counterpart equally and effectively.